Hello traders, and welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show, where I will be going through some setups on 10 different currency pair charts. So here I go. I'll share my screen. All right, so the first currency pair I'm starting with today is AUDUSD. I just took that trade on this bar here. So currently in the trade, all the details were posted on the Telegram group in my inner circle. So if you need to go and check that, it's in there. So I'm going short. So looking still on the channel, weekly, looking to go further down on the daily. At that sort of point, looking for a short down to that level initially, and we'll see how that goes. So already in that one, let's have a look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY, I'm looking to enter short. So on the weekly, we're at that horizontal level resistance, and the trend is going down. So on the daily, we're at the top of the channel. So I'm looking, ideally, I would like this bar to close small and then enter tomorrow. But we will see. It might start to fall earlier or later, but that's sort of what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for short anytime. I always like for the price action to go sideways a little bit and then to take the short after that. So let's see what happens with this one. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. USDJPY, I'm looking for short. So at the moment, we're doing a second round at that horizontal level, which is the resistance level that I'm seeing at the moment. So let's see if we have a reversal around that area. Daily's up there. So looking for some small bars, maybe some sideways movement here, and then looking for short after that. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURUSD. Here I'm looking for a long. So on the weekly, we're at the bottom of that channel. So at the moment, it could reverse back up, or it's going to fall down from that level. So on the daily, I'm looking at the price action to see what's going to happen. And if there is a reversal to go back up, then I would look to take that trade for a long setup. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURAUD. And EURAUD, I'm now looking for a short. So I would prefer to enter at the top of the channel and closer to the horizontal line. But at the moment, it looks like there is quite a bit of drop, and looks like it may not reverse back up. So on the daily, we're back at the bottom here. So if it comes back up to retest the bottom of that channel there, then I would look for short from then. If there is no reversal, then I would wait for the next level or all the way at the top. So let's see how that looks. So this is on the 4-hourly. So I'm looking for a reversal around this area here. If that doesn't happen and it keeps going back up, then the next level is here or right at the top. So let's keep an eye on for that and looking for short. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY. EURJPY, I'm looking for a short. So on the weekly, we have that channel going downwards now for quite some time. Daily, we were at the top there, so just waiting for the price to go a bit further up. So anywhere from around this high area here, or anywhere around that top of the channel. If there is a reversal in terms of the price action, then I'm looking for a short. Next currency pair I'm looking for is GBPUSD. And GBPUSD I'm looking for short. So we are on the weekly, coming off the top of that horizontal. So I'm still looking for short on this currency pair. At the moment, we're towards the top of that descent on the daily. So I'm looking for a reversal around this daily trend line, or around this horizontal level here, or at the top of the channel. So at the moment, the price looks like it could be reversing. So I'm going to wait. If it breaks down below this level, possibly look to enter, or if it goes sideways and further up around here, then I'm looking to enter there. On the daily, if this closes and forms an inside bar, then that would be even better. So looking for short on GBPUSD. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDCAD. And USDCAD, I'm looking now for a short. So on the weekly, the channel is in a way still going up because we don't have a close for today or this week. If it goes up, I would prefer to take a short from the top. But if it is going to start descending from here, then I would need to see some reversal at the top, at the bottom of the channel. So at the top of that line and around this horizontal. So let's have a look. On the 4 hourly for the actual setup, I would need a few bars up to either this horizontal level, to the bottom of the channel, or to this resistance line, trend line on the daily. So let's see a few bars up and then see what it looks like after that, but looking for a short. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURGBP. And EURGBP, I'm looking for long. So this one, I'm looking at the ranging market, looking at the long from the bottoms. So at the bottom, we're at the moment we're here at where it reversed before. So let's see what that's going to show in the next couple of days. Here we would want some kind of price action, maybe going sideways for a bit, or possibly even a little bit further down to the horizontal level here, or even further to the bottom of the range. So let's see if there is an actual reversal there. It might take a few days for setup. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPCAD. In GBPCAD at the moment, I'm looking for long. So looking at this as the ranging market between the two ranges here, 1.7 and 1.757. So looking at long. At the moment, there could possibly be further price movement downwards or just sideways. So let's wait and see. Ideally, would like the price to be at the either near the bottom of the range or just at the bottom of this this area here. So let's see if that happens, and then looking for long all the way up to that top of the range. All right, if you have any questions, please pop them into the chat. We'll have a look. Hi, Awi, good to see you. Welcome. If you have any questions, pop them in the chat. And if you would like to be part of the Simple Forex Setup Inner Circle group, I will pop a link into the chat now, and you can follow that along to subscribe. And I post all the trades that I take and all the trade management on that channel. Otherwise, I will see you back here live at 12 p.m. Singapore time next Wednesday. Thank you very much all, and I'll see you next week.